Hey guys, welcome to the Field of Trucks for Sign Up series. I believe 37. Yes, it is Sign Up series 37, Field of Trucks. And we have a guest. He can't actually be here because of quarantine. So he is on FaceTime. Say hello.
Hello.
You should know who he is, but the audio quality on my iPad's really bad. So yeah, Mini Mello, YT, he's on the phone. He's looking for something, so I am just filming my Field of Trucks. I was talking to him.
I'm looking for something. I'm building something.
What are you filming?
I'm building something.
Oh, he's building something. Is it for the Sign Up series?
It's a part of it.
Okay, well I'm gonna do the Field of Trucks now. Alright, let's start off. Samson. Carolina Crusher. What was that?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Hurricane Force. Purple King Crunch. And it flipped over. Backdraft. Instigator. Nitro Circus. Annihilator. Obsessed. Big Kahuna. Mohawk Warrior Silver. Bad News Travels Fast Purple. Virginia Giant. Wrecking Crew. Normal Gravedigger. Jester. Anger Management. Earthshaker. Have to move. This truck's closer to me. Screaming Demon. Sting. Nitro. Blue Thunder. Reptoid. Super Trucker. Iron Outlaw. Silver Avenger. Air Force Afterburner. World Finals. Hot Wheels 2012. Which is not two-time champion, so it's tied with American Dream. Gravedigger 25th. And American Dream. That is the Field of Trucks. I'll see you guys in the series. Bye.